वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं। टुडे वी विल सी क्वेश्चंस ऑन टेंजेंट थ्योरम फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.1। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन फिगर रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल विथ सेंटर C is 6 cm. Line AB is tangent at A. Answer the following questions. First question is, what is the measure of angle CAB? CAB. Why? Here in figure, CA is a radius of circle and line AB is tangent to circle at point A. Therefore, measure of angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. The reason is line AB is tangent to circle at point A. Therefore, line AB is perpendicular to radius CA. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Second question here is, what is the distance of point C from line AB? Why? Distance of point C from line AB. Distance of point point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. The reason is CA is perpendicular on line AB, as AB is tangent, as line AB is perpendicular on radius CA by tangent theorem. Here also we can write the reason, tangent theorem. CA is radius of circle and radius of circle is given 6 centimeter. CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. The third question is, distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find distance BC. Distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find BC. We'll draw BC here. Radius AC is given 6 cm and angle A is right angle. Therefore, in triangle CAB, we will use Pythagoras theorem to find distance BC. In triangle ABC, C. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. AC is equal to 6 cm. AB is equal to 6 cm. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. AC is 6 square plus AB is also 6 plus 6 square. 6 square is 36 plus 36. It is 6 plus 6 12. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. BC square is equal to 72. To find value of BC, we will take square root. So BC is equal to square root of 72. Here we will add 36 plus 36 is 72. Therefore we can write 36 2s are 72. 36 2s are 72. Square root of 36 is 6. Therefore it is 6 under root 2. So BC is equal to 6 under root 2. Therefore distance BC is equal to 6 root 2 cm. The fourth question is, what is the measure of angle ABC and Y? Angle ABC, measure of angle ABC. Here triangle ABC is isosceles right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is isosceles right angled triangle, in which AB is equal to AC and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C, as these are opposite angles of congruent sides, and also angle B plus angle C is equal to 90 degree, as these are the acute angles of right angle triangle, and acute angles of right angle triangles are complementary. Therefore, angle B, that is angle ABC, is equal to 45 degree. हम इसे इस तरह भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, एंगल B प्लस एंगल C के लिए फिर से हम एंगल B लिखेंगे. एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. एंगल B प्लस एंगल B इज 2. एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 90 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. इसे काटेंगे तो आएगा 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, angle B is equal to 45 degree. We will solve one more question from practice set 3.1. Question is, what is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 cm. Justify your answer. To solve this question, हमने यहाँ पर फिगर बना कर ली है. Here in the figure, point O is center of a circle. Line L and line M are parallel tangents to the circle at point M and point N respectively. We will write line L and line M are tangents to the circle of center O and line L is parallel to line M. लाइन L और लाइन M दोनों टेंजेंट्स है, इसलिए ये रेडियस पर परपेंडिकुलर होंगे बाय टेंजेंट थ्योरम. देयरफॉर बाय टेंजेंट थ्योरम line L is perpendicular on radius OM and line M is perpendicular on radius ON. Line L and line M are parallel lines. O is external point and OM and ON are perpendiculars on line L and M respectively. The perpendiculars drawn from external point on parallel lines are collinear. Therefore, OM and ON are collinear and the points M, O, N are also collinear. Therefore, points M, O and N are collinear. Therefore, distance between lines L and M is equal to MN and MN is equal to OM plus ON, which is equal to 4.5 plus 4.5, as both are radii of same circle and it is given 4.5. 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9 cm. Therefore, distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 cm is 9 cm.